Okay, so here's my first video of since I decided to go gray. Or like my mama used to say, I'm not gray, my hair is white. My mother had solid white hair and started turning gray at age 11. Okay, this is about 6 weeks. And I think it's going to be pretty gray everywhere. White, like my mama said. Um, and I've been watching videos to find out what to do and how to do it. And everybody says, commit, don't give up, and it's going to be hard. And if it's already hard now, I cannot imagine how hard it's going to be later. I'll probably bleach it all out and then use a toner on it sooner or later. I'm going to try to wait till the end of summer. Today is May 4th. So we'll see. And also my twin sister's doing it with me. We're twins, so we have to do it together. And I will give you an update every few months or every few weeks.